Hello everyone! Welcome to a quick overview of my new add-on MegaBag. I'm still working on it. I made only 10% of my idea. I just upload early version, so you can download and test yourself. So, let me show you what I made. So, when you enable my add-on, you can see Blender interface will be a little change. So, in preference in this add-on, you can see many checkboxes. So, if you disable all, well, my add-on will be don't do anything. So, it just helps you to choose what you need and what you don't. So, let me show you step by step. You can install my Mesh key. It's a key map. It's very useful to use on a laptop touchpad. So, first is compact menu in 3D view. Originally, menu expanded, and sometimes it can be very long, for example in edit mode. So I need to scroll to reach on the other side. But I love use many windows, like this. So this is little uncomfortable to scroll every time. So I just made compact menu. And now you need scroll not too long, in small windows. Next, it's tool settings. In original, in object mode, right over here, not so much. It's almost empty. I just came up with this. In object mode, I just add what I like to use often. And in edit mode too. So, next part is quick pack. Actually, I want to replace this panel, but this panel inside Blender, and wrote in C, not Python. So, I just create a new panel. On the top, you can see switcher between transform and properties. Actually, I came up with this idea when I started working on my USB tablet monitor. I love use hotkeys on a keyboard, but when I work on my tablet, it's little uncomfortable put monitor and press hotkeys on keyboard, then again take monitor. Well, I just love holding monitor when I'm working, like this. So I just put everything in this panel, so I can use only stylus without keyboard. So, in edit mode I make mesh library of base forms and parts. You can use it when you're modeling character or something else. I'm making these meshes in CC0 license, so feel free to use it. So, next part it's modifiers. Originally, in this panel, only menu with modifiers and modifiers properties below. But you can enable Modifiers Options. In this menu, you can easily apply all modifiers, turn on, off or toggle, or remove all. Next, you can enable My Modifiers. He will appear under original modifiers. There you can find My Modifiers, Vector Array, Circle Array, and many others, icing, frosting, sprinkles, etc. In curve, you can find electric arc, chain, or noise. So, I want to record videos for each of my modifier, but this will be next time. So, let's go next. It's text editor. Originally, here only two panels, find and replace and properties. So, here how I upgrade. Ta-da! I put find and replace little below, and upper I put cut, copy, paste and other stuff. Then you can enable info, file panel. So I even create icon viewer. I know I just copy idea of already exist add-on. Anyway, let's go to another thing. Dope sheet. Originally it looks like this. So I just add some buttons here. And I also create compact menu here. Then I add play pause buttons. Because sometimes I need to push play, and I always create another window only for use these buttons play, pause. So right now I add these buttons over here. So that's it. This is a quick overview of my add-on. Well, as I said before, I'm still working on it. I made only 10% of my idea, so wait for updates. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye!